Alright, is the recording go up? Okay, there. Alright, we are doing the taste tester. We had a video done before, but it stopped recording because apparently I didn't have enough room on my phone to continue recording. So Lacey's taste tester was not recorded, but mine will be recorded.
I don't know how many more of these we're going to do, these taste tests.
I don't either. I'm kind of getting sick to my stomach.
I won't make you eat it, just you have to lick it. Okay. Maddie, you talk to the camera and do stupid things while I go make a taste.
Can't even get this on my face. I'm scared.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, sometimes they're mixed, so you have to tell every element of it. Tongue out.
Hold on, I'm scared.
It's not gonna like go in your mouth. I'm just gonna put it on your tongue.
Hold on. Is it? It's kind of like Jello.
No, taste it again.
Jelly.
No.
Type of jelly. It's kind of fruit. Is it the peach pie?
Yeah, but it has something else too.
I'm trying to taste other stuff. I don't know. I tasted the peach though.
Peach pie, filling, and Coke. Or Pepsi.
I didn't taste the Coke.
Okay. Gotta take this back and wash it off.
Right.
No, they don't.
I bet your grandma's gonna eat me still.
I'm listening in a better way simply because I think.
So guys, time is back. My dog won't shut up. She's very cute and delightful.
Are you ready?
Yeah. You better not be doing anything too obvious. Don't put it on my face though.
Nothing. I mixed it.
That's another rule. No putting it on my face.
I mixed it. Okay. You gotta taste the other stuff too. Yeah, the
Pudding.
first one's obvious.
And pudding.
There's something else in it.
And butter?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's really sickening. That's... Okay, Maddie, it's your turn. That was nasty.
How many more times are we gonna do this?
I don't know. Hold on. Like, I don't know.
Hold on, let me tie the headband on.
We should let the camera see it. Okay, tongue out.
Ew, coffee?
face. I am a little bit worried. I think I just upsetted some people. Come here, Nino. Come here. Oh, okay. Okay. I think I heard whipped cream. Okay. Man, hurry up. You're going to make the people bored. Oh, yeah. I'm going to entertain everyone because I'm such a... Angel, where are you?
I had a tough time finding anything. Like, there's like nothing.
You could always like place an object to me.
I guess.
Coffee and soap.
No, coffee and Pepsi.
I didn't know it tasted that bad.
It does taste that bad. No, coffee tastes that bad.
Okay, I am ready.
How many more times are we doing this?
Are you ready?
Hold on, I need this bandana on.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you might have to put them in your mouth a little bit, but they're not anything bad.
Is it a fake plant?
No. Bite on it.
A stick thing?
Bite on it really hard. Until you break it.
Noodle things?
Yeah. Oh, I thought you'd be stumped on that one.
Alright. We're going to do one more time because it's getting kind of long.
Sure.
Here you go. And then we'll be done.
There's a horrible taste of coffee in my mouth. Oh, yeah. That just tasted horrible. That just tasted like soap. I didn't know that coffee was that bad. Until you like cook it or whatever you do when you put it in the coffee pots. Is that cooking or melting it?
Hold on.
Oh my Lord. I'm kind of worried. Well, guess I better check my phone. Oh, nothing. Please don't get bored. Because, what?
Yeah. Your mouth was in trouble. It's true.
Oh.
Okay, well that's all for this taste test.